हमारे साथ देश के सबसे पावरफुल व्यक्ति है, नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं है हमारे साथ है मुकेश अंबानी जी। जब मैंने कहा कि सबसे पावरफुल या ताकतवर व्यक्ति हमारे साथ है, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं, आप मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मानता हूँ, मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं।
शहरों में निकलता हूं,
कौन से लोग
नहीं, मैं आपके विरोधी ये कहते हैं कि राज ठाकरे बोलते बहुत है, भोंकते बहुत है, लेकिन असलियत के जो विरोधी तो कहते हैं कि राज ठाकरे हमें टारगेट करते हैं और मीडिया में बहुत प्रोफाइल है, लेकिन असलियत उनकी कुछ अलग है।
एक मिनट भोंकता हूं, एक मिनट, अभी तुम्हारा भोंकना बंद हो गया?
हाँ बोलिए। 2009 के चुनाव में आपके कैंडिडेट्स, कई कैंडिडेट्स थे जिनको 1 लाख से ज्यादा वोट्स मिले, जिसकी वजह से शिवसेना को हार भुगतनी पड़ी।
पहली बात राजदीप, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है, पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए मैं पीछे बैठता हूं।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
चलिए।
कहीं ये जो लोगों में एक, या तो आप कहेंगे तो ये प्रोपेगेंडा है, लेकिन कि आप और अमित शाह के बीच में कुछ न कुछ डील है कि जहां बीजेपी को, जहां मुस्लिम समुदाय 15% से ज्यादा है, वहां आप जाकर चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल सही फरमाए कि वो डील आपके ही घर पे हुई थी, आपके ही घर पे लंच हुआ था, वेजिटेरियन लंच था। आपने कहा कि नहीं वो बैठे वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैं आपके ही साथ खाया था, आप ही जिम्मेदार हैं उसके। वो डील आप करवाए थे, मैंने ही करवाया था। मैं तो आपकी मोहब्बत में फिदा हो गया।
Let me ask you, amidst all the celebrityhood, when is Sania going to settle down? Is it going to be in Dubai? Is it going to be in any other country? What about motherhood? Building a family? I don't see that in the book. It seems that you don't want to retire just yet to settle down.
You don't think I'm settled?
Well, you don't seem to talk as yet of retirement. You don't talk in the book about raising a family, motherhood, what's life beyond tennis going to be.
You sound disappointed that I'm actually not choosing motherhood over being #1 in the world at this point of time. But I'll answer your question anyway. That's a question that I face all the time as a woman. That's one of the questions as women we have to face all the time. First is marriage and then is motherhood. Unfortunately, that's when we are settled. And no matter how many Wimbledons we win or #1 in the world we don't become settled. But yeah, eventually it will happen. Not right now, but eventually it will happen. And when it does happen, I will be the first one to tell everybody when I plan to do that.
I must apologize in a sense. I think I phrased that question very badly. I promise you, you're right. I would never ask this question to a male athlete, when are you settling down?
गुजरात पूजा है या व्यक्ति पूजा है? कि जो विरोधी है, एक पॉइंट हमेशा कहते हैं मोदी जी कि नरेंद्र मोदी व्यक्ति पूजा की बात कर रहे हैं। The major criticism against your government at the moment is that it is about an individual. Do you believe that you can build systems like this?
अगर मैं इवनिंग कॉर्ड करता हूं, इज इट नॉट अ सिस्टम? अगर मैं ज्योतिग्राम करता हूं, इज इट नॉट अ सिस्टम? अगर मैं गर्ल चाइल्ड एजुकेशन के लिए 700 लोगों को लेकर गांव में जाता हूं, इज इट नॉट अ सिस्टम? अगर आपको पूरा समझने का समय नहीं है, आपको एक चलती का नाम गाड़ी लिखने की आदत है, अब उसको जवाब देता मैं कहां टाइम बिगाड़ूंगा भैया? आप अपना काम कीजिए, हम हमारा काम करेंगे।
Where do you stand on this whole intolerance-tolerance debate? Many other stars have spoken about it. Do you believe that we have become a more intolerant society?
Rajdeep, I don't know how journalists address this issue, but really I'm not qualified to answer this question at all. I'm the least educated person as far as these issues are concerned.
You're being diplomatic. You don't want to fall into a trap.
No. So you're admitting that this is some kind of a trap for me?
No, I'm not.
It is a theoretical position.
What is your experience? Which was easier to manage?
Let me complete. You don't have this habit. I'm sorry to tell you and remind you, you are interviewing the former president. Yes. Please have the necessary courtesy. Yes. Don't interrupt. I'm sorry to tell
absolutely.
you. I am not eager to appear on the screen.
Sir.
You have invited me. Firstly, you cannot raise your voice.
My apologies.
I am
I'm going to make today is that you and Sushant's family are conducting a media trial. You're using television studios, Vikas Singh, to put pressure on the judge who tomorrow will give a verdict. But for the last several weeks, CBI for SSR, in fact, Riya herself has asked for CBI, but the manner in which this case is being done is as if Riya is already guilty. For you and your clients, it appears that Riya is already guilty. Is that the way a trial should run in studios and in this surround sound, Vikas Singh ji?
Well, Rajdeep, if that is your complaint, then I should not talk to you, because it's not. I'm not asking you to talk to me. It's you who are wanting to talk to me. So if you don't want to talk to me, I have no issue with that. I'm not.
No, my argument is the manner in which this case has played out. As a senior counsel, how do you respond to those?
It's people like you who are forcing us to.
Sure. How do you respond to those who say it's a media trial?
I am not interested. Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, please let me answer your question.
Please, sir.
I am not interested in a media trial. I am not going to any media that you take me on your channel. It is people like you who are after me to join your channel. If you don't want to hear me, I'm not interested in talking to you. So sorry, you can just switch me off. I'm not interested.
No, so let's talk then. Let's talk, Mr. Vikas Singh.
I'm not interested in a media trial.
No, yeah, let's talk, Mr. Vikas Singh.
If you have some questions to ask me,
I have a question.
I
have a specific question.
I am doing a media trial.
I have a specific question, sir.
You can ask your questions to whoever is interested.
No, I have a specific question to you. Has there been a media trial in your view?
किस तरह से आप देखते हैं?
मैं राजदीप सरदेसाई को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि वो पिछले 10 साल से इस मुद्दे के भरोसे जी रहे हैं। इसी मुद्दे के भरोसे सुनना पड़ेगा भाई
जी, बिल्कुल।
इसी मुद्दे के भरोसे उनकी रोजी रोटी चलती है
जी।
और मैंने सुना था कि मोदी को गाली देने वालों को राज्यसभा की सीट मिलती है, मोदी को गाली देने वालों को पद्मश्री मिलता है, पद्म भूषण मिलता है। तो मेरी राजदीप सरदेसाई को शुभकामना है कि आप अपना ये अभियान जारी रखिए और आप भी ऐसे मित्रों की मदद से राज्यसभा में पहुंच जाइए। आप भी ऐसे मित्रों की मदद से पद्मश्री पद्म भूषण कुछ प्राप्त कीजिए। मेरी आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं।
Saurav Ganguly was asked by Rajdeep Sardesai, yes folks, do you want to be Chief Minister of Bengal? Okay? And Rajdeep says Saurav's answer was no, but he had a glint in his eye.
I thought that this was a cricket book. This was a cricket book we are launching, and probably Rajdeep's favorite captains, which are Dhoni, Dravid, Pataudi, Bedi, Kohli, Azharuddin, Sachin, myself, Gavaskar and Kapil. So I don't see a politician here, so I don't know why this question is. And secondly, Rajdeep, you just got scolded by the former President of India on TV. You remember that or not? Now I am younger to you, I am your friend, and I can't scold you. So
look, I have a bad record.
You still take such risks in life.